So these 4 slides are giving you ideas about how to insert quotations into your hero's journey essay. But the rules go for all of the essays, but in particular we're talking about the hero's journey here. We are going to start with integrating quotes. So when you are inserting a quote into your essay, you need to either start the quote with your own words or end the quote with your own words. Even if the quote is a complete sentence, you cannot use just the quote as a sentence. You must integrate it into your own sentence. Now the exception would be is at the beginning of the essay, if you use it at the very top as an opening sentence or a subtitle or something like that. But as long as you're working on the essay itself, you must integrate it. And here are 2 examples of how to integrate it. Okay, amount of quoted material. More than 10%, less than 20%, somewhere around 15% quoted material. For a 1,000-word essay, this means 800 to 900 words are your own writing. Then 100 to 200 words can be quoted material. Now remember, short quotes are more effective than long. If you have one long sentence or even 2 sentences that you just must use in their entirety, okay, fine. But don't go overboard. So for example, you've got the phrase Hakuna Matata, means no worries. You can put Hakuna Matata in quotes, you can put no worries in quotes, but you don't have to put that whole phrase where they're talking about it in quoted material. Just the 2 key words from each of the 2 phrases is more than enough. You're going to run into all sorts of possibilities and types of quotations as we continue on working and writing essays. So it's much better to know where to go to find the answer than to just ask somebody for the answer. So here's a list of places to get more information, and I've titled them. So for example, short versus long quotes. A long quote is a quote that starts on the 5th line of typing. So, for example, you can have 4 lines of typing and it all counts as a short quote. Once you hit that 5th keystroke that takes it, or that keystroke that takes it to the 5th line, now it becomes a long quote. And there's a different way of actually putting this quotation in. So you need to go to this link and figure out what that is. What if you have a quote within a quote? What if you have a double quotes versus single quotes? What if there's a question mark in quotes? These are all things that you can find by clicking on these links, and you will find your answers here. Okay, good luck!